He has a lot of names like Garnt, Anime Zone, and Giguk. But this one man who made this hobby his job is making weebs all around the world happy, and now he's a 30 years old man who loves anime titties. And this is the entire history of Garnt Manetapo, also known as Giguk. 31 of May, 1990. Garnt was born in Brington, England, having a British nationality despite having Thai descent. But before he started his YouTube career at 17 years old, he studied electrical and electronics engineering at the University of Bristol. But way back 2008, he began his reviewing career, and his first video is all about the anime Bleach. And this was the start of his YouTube career. But Giguk probably didn't expect back then that in the present time, he'll have a lot of subscribers and supporters to his YouTube channel. And year 2011, Giguk is at the top of the spear of being a AniTuber at the time. But he barely has 100,000 subscribers, and he wasn't monetized at all, even if he has a lot of subscribers. So the question came up to him that, do I pursue this as a job or just work? And he also stated in one of the episodes of Trash Taste, no one gets monetized for reviewing animes. Garnt has doubts. And I wouldn't blame him, because having a little YouTube channel that's not even earning and monetized is like walking to a pot of nothingness. So in year 2014, Garnt made the safe decision to work at BBC as the technical project manager. He didn't enjoy his time working for BBC, he said, and he still has that passion inside him for reviewing animes and making videos on YouTube. He was stuck and couldn't make a decision because of this doubt that he's feeling. But a goddess, also known as Sydney, snaps him out and told Garnt that he was talking about this for too long about coming back to YouTube, and Sydney pushed him to quit his job at BBC and to pursue his passion. Cause at that time, the anime man / Joey is climbing high with his views and subscribers, so Giguk also noticed that there's a lot more opportunity today than before. So Giguk eventually quit his job and even told his parents that he'll drop the BBC and pursue his AniTubing career. And they were not happy at all. But Garnt managed to convince his parents by making a deal. He said that, I have all this money saved up. Just let me do YouTube for half a year. If it doesn't work out, I'll straight up quit. Garnt Manetapo / Giguk was doing this YouTube for the past 10 years, and there's a lot of doubts. He's not even sure at the time if he'll come back making videos in YouTube. If it wasn't for Sydney, that at the time his girlfriend, Giguk would have been just an employee at BBC. But Garnt pulled himself up and put in the hard work. And now, he proved them all wrong. Giguk now reached 3 million subscribers and counting. From barely making it to 100,000 subscribers to now making hundreds and thousands of subscribers daily. Garnt wasn't successful when he started his YouTube journey. He was like some of us creators who's small and have doubts. Even I have doubts that YouTube is not for me and I will never gonna make it. But get this. Giguk is doing this for a decade now. He put the effort and he worked hard for it. And now, he's a respected public figure. So are you willing to take a step too? And in the 12th of April, year 2019, Garnt Manetapo got the best reward he'll ever have. And that's the positive reaction of Sydney Poniwas to his proposal. And the rest is history. If you reached this video this far, maybe that's the universe saying that you need to subscribe. This video took me a long time to make, so I'm going to appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, that's that, guys and girls. Matai masho, daisuki.